Emakhosini. I welcome you guys, you beautiful Kemites, lapha emakhaya, to another episode of Kemi TV. Umkhulu lo, umprophet wenu. And guys, I thank you for the growth of the channel. I thank you for the continued subscribing. Uh, Guys, please hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications when we release new videos. Uh, as we mentioned in the previous episode ukuthi sobe siqala isigaba esama-product amasha due to ukuthi abantu bayabuza ukuthi mkhulu awunawo umuthi onje usayenza into enje, and I realized that within the channel we don't have many episodes that focus on the showcasing of ama-product esiwa ofarayo la ekhaya wena ongawa-ordera ukuthi uhlushwa yini. We have gone and we have researched and we have strengthened our knowledge yemithi. We have strengthened our methodology yokuthi imithi isetshenziswe kanjani for izizathu ey'ningi, izizathu ey'hlukahlukile. On the previous episode we covered general products, izinto ezokusula endlini, izinto ezokuphakamisa isithunzi, donsa abantu. But we couldn't nakanjani forget about our goddesses, you beautiful queens, you females, you divine feminine. We had to make sure ukuthi we dedicate time to not only improve formulas that we had in the past, kodwa as well as to designate ukuthi iziphi iy'nkinga kakhulu esibuza ngazo on our chats, on the DMs, on the WhatsApp, when we get calls ukuthi bacela izinto ezinjani. So we developed a group of products. Bakwethu, these products are specifically for women. They work a lot better when it's a woman using them. So if you have any type of special request on your side, ufuna ukusho ukuthi mkhulu Seyida ngicela ukuthi mina I am ngubulili obuso, ngithandana nobulili obuso. Can you develop a special product? Can I use the divine feminine range of products? Cha Khehla, please contact me directly so that we can speak sibone ukuthi singakwenzelani. But this is specifically for women. Specifically for women, you goddesses, ngiyinithanda ngothando kamveli mncane. Bekumele ukuthi ngijule ngenze lento engiyenzayo khona manje ithi singageqa amagula, because we are showcasing the products. Thanks again to this comment right here. Uba for reminded me ukuthi I have not showcased what I have learned and izinto bengiyozilanda, amandla bengiwalanda. So I'll be doing that throughout this specific segment. Bakwethu ithi ngingageqa amagula. This following product is for umuntu wesifazane othi, wena muntu wesifazane lapha ekhaya othi kimi, mkhulu Seyida mina nginebhizinisi, I want to attract people in a clean way. Angifuni ukulanda izinto ezibhedayo ezizongihlupha ebusuku. I just need something powerful. I just need something potent. Ukuthi uma ngithengisa noma nginganabhizinisi, uma ngithengisa, I am a sales lady. I deal in sales. When I'm specifically selling to male clients, ukuthi bathenge kimi, I have a boyfriend and ingathi uthando seliyayehla. I need something, not ukuthi ngimdlise, but ukuthi he must be attracted to me again. He must be pulled towards me. He must feel that magnetism. Sithi kuwe thatha i-magnetic rose. Ithathe mama wena osebenza ngamadoda who is into prostitution. Asinjaji, there's different scenarios that could meet somebody down leyo line leyo ukuthi ajeziswe yithi thina singabobani. Wena mama osebenza ngamadoda, iza kimi. Ukuthi uyi-slay queen, ukuthi you're a prostitute, iza kimi, in order for us to enhance your attraction, in order for you to get you better paying clients, in order for you to get more clients, to get more business. Ithathe i-magnetic rose in order to enhance your energy. Sisebenze ngamakhubalo amanye. It was amakhubalo besiwasebenzisa emuthini wokuqala emuthini wokuqala wamadoda for women. Kodwa we have changed this formula, and in its current form it comes as an oil now. thathe lamafutha lawa uwasebenzise ngale ndlela esizothi uwasebenzise ngawo. Ubuye kithi usho ukuthi kwenzekeni. Imali yenkanyiso on this gogo, when you are calling me, because kumele ngiyisho, angifuni ukuthi abantu bangibuze into engiyishilo khona kule channel. Inkanyiso for i-magnetic rose is 500 rand, subject as well to the courier fee. So uzokhipha u-500 wakho, sizokhoriyela ngaleyo ndlela, either through RMX to get it to you in 1 to 3 days, or through Paxi to get it to you in 5 to 7 days. Makhosi, siyabonga. Siye saba nenkinga la for a short time eNdumbeni, whereby we were experiencing an issue of abantu besifazane abafikayo and they have issues esithweni sangasese, affecting their relationships, whether ukuthi bangene ema-periodini all the time or they getting constant infections, abazi ukuthi kudalwa yini. We had a period of women who would dream of themselves balala nento, and in turn leyo nto leyo ibabulalela imizwa towards amadoda. If you know that you're a person suffering from that, you need to sit down ukhulume nomuntu going through that for you to see their anguish. And ngiyalazi usizi lwenu bantu besifazane. Izinto ezinjalo ezidalwe ngokomoya or noma ezidalwe ngokwenyama, sithi kuwe nayi i-yoni bloom. Umuthi esugayile sawuhlanganisa nemithi ehlukahlukile ukulapha izifo, whether zidalwe spiritually or izifo that are physical to a certain extent. Angeke ilaphe yonke into. Kuwena manje ukuthi uyaza kimi uyangitshela inkinga yakho, ungibuze ukuthi mkhulu, ingabe i-yoni bloom izongisebenzela, ngikunikeze ngithi yebo gogo, it's for you, or cha, wena senze ngale ndlela. But these specific herbs assist in the spiritual purification of isitho sangasese. If there is any issue edalwe ukuthi khona nomuntu owalala naye bekungamelanga ulale naye, but you are in Saturday fever, wazinikela-ke nawe ngokocansi, mawuzinikela kanjalo kwaba ukuthi uthatha something spiritually, ekudalela ukuthi ungene ema-periodini ungaqedi, ekudalela ukuthi uvele ama-rash, ekudalela ukuthi uphuma ama-discharge. Take yoni bloom, use it to steam. Uyayithatha i-yoni bloom, moyithatha sizokutshela ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi uyisebenzisa kanjani. Inkanyiso ye-yoni bloom is only 500 rand. Ithathe gogo. Products that have been developed are being tested and they have been tested. A single product can't be tested on 1 or 2 people. Kumele ukuthi siloku sisebenza ukuthi sibone ukuthi singayikhulisa kuphi. That's how you grow in medicine inyanga zami. So take yoni bloom. Uma umuntu obhekane nenkinga ezinjalo, uthathe ikhombo ye-yoni bloom. If umuntu onenkinga esibelethweni as well, ukuthi ugezeke isibeletho if kuwukuthi kunomoya ohlezi khona laphaya due to a miscarriage, due to an abortion, ngoba izinto ziyenzeka. Nobody should be judged, but in that manner, now spiritual hygiene dictates ukuthi ithathe yoni bloom ukuze uzo-purify isibeletho sakho, purify nesitho sangasese. Ukuthi singageqi amagula. Bakwethu, singakhohlwa ukuthi women predominantly are judged on their appearance, which is something not fair. And then nani niyayazi iqiniso kahle kahle, iqiniso elimsulwa ukuthi women are judged on their appearance when they go out in public. Hence you guys use things to enhance your hair, things to enhance your faces. Kunzima. Everybody wants to be beautiful. I-Chemi TV ayinawo umuthi, unfortunately, ukuthi ungawugqoba ebusweni and you look beautiful. We can make your aura attractive, but you must be happy with the way you look, irregardless of in the measuring scale society ukuthi bakubeka kuphi. Kodwa into esikhona ukukusiza ngayo is if uzithola, and especially women, because you guys have a lot of your guys hormones fluctuate more due to periods nezinto ezinjalo njalo. So you might find yourself having breakouts. You might find yourself with blemishes due to different causes. You might find yourself darker than you originally was. So sihlalile phansi sathi, let's develop a cosmetic product kodwa eyomuthi. Let's develop a cosmetic product that not only has physical benefits, kodwa it also has spiritual benefits. It also has energetic benefits. So we came up with Immune Glow. Immune Glow is a herbal facial mask. It assists in removing toxins that are in your skin. If when umuntu who suffers from acne, umuntu who suffers from breakouts, umuntu who suffers from bad skin, it assists in removing toxins from your skin, and it assists in balancing your pH levels. So in that manner, reducing breakout bagwethu. In that manner as well, evening your skin tone, revealing your true complexion. Nawe ube ne-velvet skin, nawe ufane no Halle Berry. Nawe gogo ufane no-Halle Berry. Nawe sisi, nawe mama, nifane no-Halle Berry. For you who wants the full scope on Immune Glow, contact me usho ukuthi mkhulu nginenkinga enje. Immune Glow was developed from previous combos that we were using. Nabantu bebanenkinga ngey'khumba. People would send me their before pics with breakouts, with scarring. Sibathumele le product le. Ngaleyo ndlela le basizakale. We have people that have clear skin today because bafikile kumkhulu. Ngaleyo ndlela ngithi iza kimi, come to us, ithi sikusize in this regard. Okay, ukuthi ukhanyise in this case bakwethu, Immune Glow is 450. There's no negotiation about that because imithi engenayo la compared to the actual inkanyiso, there's really, if you look at the numbers, there's really no benefit we're getting. Kodwa ukuthi siza abantu abafikile la kimi bayazi ukuthi umkhulu Saida akasebenzeli imali, umkhulu Saida usebenzela ukusiza abantu. Nkosi yami, just before I forget bakwethu, I don't know if I gave you guys the price for Ioni Bloom. Ioni Bloom is 600 bakwethu. I believe I gave you the incorrect price, or I didn't give you the correct price. Ioni Bloom leyo kustima ngaphansi esithweni sangasese is 600 rand. Ithini singageqa amagula, le episode ingadragi guys. I don't want this episode to drag. The last one was an hour, but nyanbonga nina enbukayo, nyanbonga you guys who are watching. Contact us if we can assist you. Abanya benu, a lot of you have issues with your weight. We don't subscribe to name calling here on Kemi TV, so we'll just say that you are overweight, you are struggling. Usuzame konke mkhulu, sengizame Herbalife mkhulu, sengizame exercise, gym subscription sengibhadala mahala mkhulu, ngizamile ukufasta, angikhoni without ukudla. One burger a day for mina keeps the stories and the woes away. Makhosi gogo ngithi kuwe, we have developed a product khona la ekhaya, using different herbs, using different roots. These specific products are meant to target weight loss, or are meant to assist in losing weight. Mkhulu, izo assist abantu that are morbidly obese, or izo assista nje umuntu ofuna nje ukuluza amafutha amancane. Either way, the way that this has been designed, amanye ama-ingredients mowabona khona lapha, just know ukuthi we're trying to be transparent ngokuthi ezinye izinto ezingenayo lapha izi mara some other ingredients aren't mentioned here, but we use things like dandelion leaf, we use things like cinnamon, we use things like peppermint to form this tea, bese siyihlanganisa nezinye iy'mpande. Uma sesiyihlanganisile, this will assist you when you drink 3 cups a day in weight loss. It will also assist you spiritually in grounding your eating patterns, because people that are overweight are usually eating because khona into abazama ukuyigcwalisa la ngaphakathi eshodayo. So spiritually, this will also assisting in grounding your eating habits, so that you can recognize what's the true void that you're trying to fill within yourself. It assists also in digestion and water balance, because la kwamkhulu Saida, we like to infuse imithi and see how many purposes that are in line together we can put emotional one, so that it can be multi-purpose. Lo muthi, we've also put iy'mpande ezifana nomvutuza, we've put iy'mpande ezifana imithi efana nomaphipha, ukuze it must have the effect of into elwisa idliso. So when onedliso, you can also take this tea. Itiye limnandi. You buy it. It comes with 50 tea bags inside. The tea is only 500 rand. Ithenge gogo uma unalezi nkinga lezi esikhulumile ngazo. Makhosi. Ngicela ukuthi if there's anything that we haven't mentioned in these videos, ningithinteni ku-WhatsApp. Don't go to the comment section. Come to me on WhatsApp. If there's anything that is personal, come to me on WhatsApp. Don't mention it here on the comment section. Ukuze ngizobona ukuthi will the product work for you or will it not? Makhosi. Ukuthi siphethe, ukuthi sigcine, Nkosi yami. We leave the greatest for the last. Yeah. There has been many women that are suffering currently from the Shaolin syndrome. Yeah, there are many women currently suffering from the Shaolin syndrome, aka receding hairline, because when you got addicted to wearing 19-inch wigs, nama weave, your hairline has been eaten and it has gone back, Makosi, and you are looking like Kim Jong-un. Wena ngithi kuwe, please take i-crown root elixir. We've developed amafutha because we've gone into researching ukuthi what works in terms of hair growth, in terms of stimulating it, varying from its impact immediately or does it take months. Sathi, let's take some of those ingredients, let's mix it nezinto thina esizaziyo that can assist in growing your hair, and let us fuse them, let's combine them into an oil. Yingakho we came out with crown root elixir. Would you've been affected by alopecia, would you've been affected by other reasons that could cause hair loss, we've designed this in a way for it to stimulate hair growth so that it doesn't come back flaky, but it comes back as thick as it was. This powerful herbal oil feeds both the scalp and the soul. Right? Each batch is ritualistically blessed according to beauty and wisdom, and it is encoded into your hair strands. So ngaleyo ndlela imithi emisha esiyidesignayo, the way sikhanda ngakhona, even isimo sethu, even the timing when sikhanda is important, because we're trying to infuse universal elements, energies into le mithi le, ukuze it must have a full spiritual impact and it must have a good physical impact as well. So when who is suffering with hair loss, a receding hairline, ngithi thathe izame gogo, khipha inkanyiso yakho yo 500 gogo, uyizame ubuye kimi uzongitshela ukuthi mkhulu, you have yet again done a miracle. Take crown root elixir for your hair growth. Bakwethu, we've reached the end of the segment. I hope ukuthi asiyidlulanga 15 minutes. Uma siyidlulile ngiyaziyehlisa phambi kwenu bakwethu. I don't want these episodes to drag because I just want to cover the information kakhulukazi. So akunasikhathi sokudlala la, sikhuluma nabantu aba-serious that need assistance. Call me, contact me 061 178 1304. Take the products that you need on your side. Talk to us. You don't just need to order ukuthi sibone ukuthi izokusebenzela lento angeke ikusebenzele. This is a 5-episode segment and I will be playlisting it ukuze umuntu ofike la ukuthi angifuni ukuloku ngilalela ungitshela ngama-angelic numbers, ngifuna izinto ezizongisebenzela. You will be able to access that playlist. Igedla lamashkrishkri nyanga yamakhosi, ngithi nginithanda ngothando lukamveli Ncane. May you have a blessed week ahead. Emakhosini.